Hi, this is Hugh from Linsn. So today I want to introduce our latest controller for use, the TS16. The TS16 is integrity 16 LAN Ethernet ports, and it supports 10 million pixels. It supports HDMI 2.0 and 4 DVI. It supports 4 HDMI, 4 HD signals input at the same time, and the 4K 60 Hertz signal input, and then in change to 16 Ethernet ports output to the screen. So you can control a very big screen like 4K or 8K by 1K, 4K by 2K screens. So if you want to know more information, please visit our website. Our website is www.linsn.com, or visit our at the booth in ISE. Thank you.